Since a lot of you liked my kick.com moderation or the chat alerts video, I decided to make a very simple one on showing you how to actually have a chat in OBS from kick.com. It's very simple, takes you no longer than like 30 seconds, so let's get right into it. All you will have to do is simply go to your kick.com page. Mine is Agenterino. So over here, you'll have to click on chat, so it actually opens up the chat, and then click on the cogwheel on the bottom and pop it out. Once you pop it out, the chat will appear. But how do you have this chat in OBS? So it's attached to OBS. Wherever you move OBS, it attaches as well. How? You simply copy paste this thing right here. So you copy paste this URL, it's kick.com/whatever your username is /chatroom. So you copy paste that, so you go into OBS itself. All right, now that we're in OBS, all you will have to do is go to docs over here and go to custom browser docs. Once you're over here, you will simply name it whatever you want, for example, chat, and then you will paste the URL right here. As you can see, I already have kick chat, so I don't wanna use this one. But you can simply do that, click apply, and then it will make a doc for you. And then if you go to docs again, if you click on kick chat, it will show up on the side right here. You don't have to, do anything else. It is that simple. But if you want to type something in chat, it will say, please log in to send a message. So how do you log in? It's very simple again. All you do is add a browser source. You can name it whatever you want, it doesn't matter. And then make sure the URL says kick.com. and click OK. Once you do that, all you have to do is click on this browser source and then click interact right here. Once you do that, you can actually interact with any of these windows and any of these things over here, like you're on Chrome or Firefox or whatever. And then over here, you will have to log in to your Kick account. And once you log in, you can disable or delete this browser right here, delete, and you will be able to just refresh this chat by clicking Control-R to just refresh it, or you can right click refresh, and then you'll be able to chat like you normally are. And that is it. It is that simple. That's how you can set up your Kick chat in OBS. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't already know, I do stream on Kick and Twitch. Link is down in the description below. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.